Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this API ceiling fan. This is a relabeled CEC. It's a 48-inch model. This is one I got on a trade with Adam. Been looking for the CECs for a while. 48-inch I haven't seen before, so that's why I wanted to get it. 56-inch I'm still looking for a 36-inch as well. But this is a cool start. It did come with this cool API control. Don't have it wired up to that right now, but yeah. So either way, let's go ahead and go low speed on the Dayton 3 amp variable speed control. Adam got a total of 3 of these out of an apartment, which was really cool. Bleed out of the way. There. So there's low speed. Go ahead and take it to a medium speed. Low speed, by the way, is 0.28. Medium-ish speed. 0.58. Let's go ahead and go to high. High, we're drawing 0.96. Music amount of air, just like any currently industrial would. There's a little bit of touch and pan at the bottom that doesn't actually handle. Pretty well balanced. Let's go ahead and just I can reach. Yeah, like I said earlier, I am looking for the 56-inch and 36-inch version of this fan. Looking at the motor, they're actually not that different from the Palco. They have the same design. The entire bottom and side casting is one piece. And it has a really thin lip on the top where it would come apart at. So that's kind of cool. Like I said, very cool little fan. I'm very happy to have him. Thank you again, Adam, for trading me. I traded him a 36-inch SMC, new inbox I got off eBay. I already got one off Craigslist I've had for the longest time, then I got another one relabeled Jab, which you saw recently. So I didn't need a third one, so that's why I was more than willing to trade it. Bearings are good, it performs good, so I'm happy, Adam's happy. Honestly, Adam needs to probably install both of these in a storage unit. That'd be kind of cool. Dual install since he has 2 of them still. The Campies have a cutout in them. They're all swag kits. So they're all hung through the Campy like that. So, it is what it is. It still runs good. Looks decent. I'm not going to complain about it. Not familiar with API though. It's an interesting label name. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.